your blog. So what I've got here is your list of blog entries. And on another tab in my browser, I have your blog with the columns. So let's go into the most recent one. We'll do an edit. And you can watch this as many times as you want. See the columns in here? I'm just going to go right here beside farm commodities and put the cursor there, click there. Then I'm going to hit delete. And that's going to take that one over there correctly. I'm going to delete here beside, right to the left of markets. Okay, now that took it all the way up, so I'm going to hit return. And maybe one more time hit return. Okay, and then we'll just do the same thing. Anywhere there's a column, I'm going to go in, do the delete, and then return. And then same thing here. Return. And so on. I'll just go through all of them so we get them all correct. And a return there. That was 2 returns, actually. Return. Delete. Return. Make those nice spaces between the commodities. Now see this one, there's a little space there. And so I'm going to get rid of that. Just hit the delete key. Keep hitting the delete key until we get rid of that space. And then I hit return. And then return again. Oh no, sorry. Let me delete. And there's a space there. I'm going to delete that. 2 spaces. There we go. So it's just a combination of a bunch of deletes and returns. Return there. Okay, this one. Do a delete, a couple of deletes. Get rid of that space. Return. Okay, and so on. Return there. Return there. And return there. And it looks like maybe there's a little column at the bottom. Not sure. I'm going to hit delete there and see what happens. Okay. And then enter. And I'm not sure if that colon needs to be there or not. So we can talk about that when I call you, which I'll do in a few minutes. And so let's click on update. Okay, it saves it. Now I'll just go to my other tab where we just have your blog up. And I'll do a refresh. See, the columns are still there. We'll refresh it. Okay, now there's just one column. So it looks good. Like I said, we still have that column there. And so we can talk about that. Oh, but we've got this in here twice. So let's fix that. We'll go in, back into edit. And let's see if we can just delete that whole bottom part. I'll just click over here, then delete. Just delete all that. And this doesn't need to be put in because the blog system updates it automatically. I just hit delete again there. And delete. I'm just going to get rid of this colon for now. We can always replace it. Okay, and update. Saving. We'll go back and refresh. And there, I think that looks pretty good. So, yeah, that's about it.